Hi Oppo promoters! I am Joe, ang inyong regional trainer from South Luzon. Get to know your Oppo Reno 10 5G with me. Tara, let's start! Hi ma'am, hi sir, welcome to Oppo. Alam nyo ba na ang bagong Oppo Reno 10 5G ay garantisadong fluent ang performance dahil gumagamit ito ng MediaTek Dimensity 7050. Mayroon din itong 8GB RAM expansion. Now is your turn. Duet this video at i-explain ang advantage, i-explain ang benefit ng fluent performance ng ating Oppo Reno 10 5G. Go!
Hi ma'am sir, welcome to Oppo. Alam niyo po ba ang ating Oppo Reno 10 5G ay garantisadong fluent ang performance dahil gumamit ito ng MediaTek Dimensity 7050, meron din itong 8GB RAM expansion, then naka 67 wattage Superbook with 5000 mAh large battery.
Good job!